Imagine stepping outside your home and picking fresh, juicy strawberries straight from your own plant. No chemicals, no store-bought bland taste, just pure, sweet berries grown by you. Sounds amazing, right? In 2026, growing strawberries at home is easier than ever, even if you have just a small balcony or a few pots. Strawberries are one of the fastest and most rewarding fruits you can grow. They don't need a big garden, they don't need expert skills, and within just a few months, they start giving fruit. That's why they're perfect for beginners, and incredibly satisfying for experienced gardeners too. First, let's talk about choosing the right type of strawberry. Some plants give one big harvest in a year, while others keep producing berries again and again. If you want a short but heavy harvest, June-bearing varieties are great. But if you want strawberries throughout the season, ever-bearing or day-neutral varieties are your best choice. Now, timing matters a lot. Strawberries love mild weather. In warmer regions, planting them in late autumn or early winter gives the roots time to settle before summer heat arrives. In cooler places, early spring planting works best. Get this step right and half your work is already done. Next comes sunlight and soil, the real game changers. Strawberry plants love the sun. 6 to 8 hours of direct light every day makes a huge difference in taste and size. And the soil? It should be loose, rich, and well-draining, not heavy or waterlogged. Healthy soil means healthy fruit. Planting is simple, but one small mistake can ruin everything. Always keep the crown, the center of the plant, at soil level. Too deep and it rots, too high and it dries out. Once planted, water gently and let the plant settle. Watering strawberries is all about balance. They love moisture but hate soggy roots. Water the base of the plant, not the leaves. And adding mulch, like straw or coconut coir, keeps the berries clean, cool, and protected. This one step alone can double your success. As the plants grow, they'll start producing flowers and then runners. Runners are baby plants, but here's the secret. If you want bigger, sweeter strawberries, remove extra runners so the plant puts its energy into fruit, not spreading. Pests and diseases may appear, but don't panic. Most problems are easily controlled with good airflow, clean watering habits, and simple organic solutions. Healthy plants naturally fight back. And then, the best part. Harvest time. When the berry turns completely red, not half, not pink, that's when it's ready. Pick gently, taste it, and you'll immediately know why homegrown strawberries are on another level. Growing strawberries at home isn't just gardening, it's a feeling. It's watching life grow. It's patience turning into reward, and it's enjoying food the way nature intended. So if you've ever thought about growing your own fruit, start with strawberries. They're easy, they're beautiful, and they'll surprise you. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and practical growing tips. Your journey to fresh, homegrown food starts now.